Let me start by saying something that everyone understands. Think about how people buy a car. Most people don't buy a car the day it breaks down on the highway. They buy a car because they start shopping. They've got time. They look at options. They pick features they actually want. Color, trim, comfort, budget. They choose. They're not rushing. Now compare that to how most people buy a furnace or an air conditioner. Well, this is a bumpy road. They don't start shopping. They start dealing with a system that isn't working. The house is uncomfortable, maybe too cold or too hot. Something isn't right. And suddenly, who can come the fastest is what's important. That's not shopping. That's showing up without a reservation. When you show up without a reservation, you don't really get to choose. You take what's left. You take what's available. And you take whatever schedule someone can fit you into. That part, no one talks about. When you buy HVAC under pressure, you're not just buying equipment. You're buying timing. You're buying availability. And you're quietly giving up options without realizing it. When your system is still working, you have leverage. You can ask questions. You can compare approaches. You can say no. You can walk away and think about it. When it's not working, that leverage shrinks fast. Weather matters, parts matter, crew availability matters, and the decision shifts from what do we actually want to what can be done right now. Two homeowners can end up with the same system on paper, same brand, same price, same install quality, but one chose it and the other settled for it. And the difference shows up later, not always as regret, but as that quiet feeling of, I wished I'd had more time. The cost of waiting never shows up on the quote. It's not always more money. It's fewer choices. If your HVAC system is still running, that's not a reason to rush, but it's the best window you'll ever have to decide without pressure. Because once you're standing there without a reservation, the menu gets very small, very fast. Thank you for watching. Stay comfortable, but please, stay tuned.